Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming monitors with the HP Omen 32Q. Let's see if this jumbo-sized screen lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk specs. The HP Omen 32Q boasts a 32-inch QHD IPS panel with a whopping 165Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync technology, HDR support, and a wide gamut of colors. But how does it perform in real-world gaming scenarios? Well, I've spent some time putting this monitor through its paces, and I have to say, I'm impressed. The image quality is bright and colorful, with excellent out-of-the-box color accuracy. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or binge-watching your favorite shows, the Omen 32Q delivers a stunning visual experience. But what about gaming performance? With its 165Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology, the Omen 32Q delivers buttery smooth gameplay with minimal input lag. And thanks to its premium video processing, motion blur is kept to a minimum, even during fast-paced action scenes. But no product is without its flaws. While the Omen 32Q excels in many areas, its native contrast falls slightly below average. However, this minor drawback is easily overshadowed by its many strengths. In terms of build quality and features, the Omen 32Q doesn't disappoint. Its sturdy construction and sleek design make it a welcome addition to any gaming setup. With gaming aids like aiming points, frame counters, and timers, you'll have everything you need to stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, the HP Omen 32Q offers incredible value for its price point. With its jumbo-sized screen, high refresh rate, and stunning image quality, it's hard to find a better gaming monitor for less than twice the money. If you're in the market for a new monitor, the Omen 32Q deserves a spot on your shortlist. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching the Product Critique, and be sure to tune in next time for more in-depth product analysis. Until then, happy gaming!